channel. Today, Mom's opening her presents.
Yes, thank you so much, Princess. So for today, ang gagawin po namin ay mag-unbox ako ng presents ko from my mom during my birthday and on Christmas Day.
Mom,
Ngayon guys, i-open ko na yung regalo ng aking mister. So this is what I've been dreaming for kasi gusto ko kasi ng mga bartending tools. So hindi ko alam kung saan nakakabili. Nakita niya na gusto ko magkaroon ng mga ganitong tools. So ayan, binilhan niya ako ng ganito para sa aking birthday. Yan, i-open ko natin kung ano yung mga pinamili niya para sa akin. Ayan. There you go.
EXO now.
Alright. So ito, meron ko siyang binili Boston Clean and Toby Clean Copper. Alright, so
Here's it.
here it is.
That's the cup.
Yeah, this is a shaker. So one set po siya, pang shake.
You
Ayan,
have to
so,
take it. You have to take it very fast.
Yes.
And you go to cup.
So ito naman po is glass rimmer. So ang glass rimmer, para ito sa pag-design ng
And
mga
my mom's
glasses.
right.
So when you do cocktails, may mga cocktails na kailangan mo siyang lagyan ng mga yes. So, para sa glass rimmer, meron kang salt, may sugar, at saka lime juice. So, kapag gumagawa ka ng cocktails, you need to dip the rim of the glass for this one. Andyan na lahat for decorating the rim of your glass.
And that's right.
Yeah, next na tayo, ito, mayroon siyang pump at saka stopper. So, this is to preserve your wines.
Yeah.
Next guys, meron po tayong cocktail measures. So, this is jiggers. So, for measuring your spirits, whiskeys, like that. So, yan siya. Ito naman, Boston Clean Coding Insert again, but it's different color. So, this one is copper and this one is silver.
And that one is.
Jigger.
That's for measure and jigger. Like this
So,
one.
ito, pareho lang siya dun sa isang set. Ano siya? So, shaker, pero silver color.
And that's the same cup.
Yeah, that's for shaking.
And we have other one.
That's right. But other one. But it's different color. Yeah? Okay, next. Ito naman is farm organizer. So, this is where you put your straws.
Yeah, you're right. And you have to leave it there in your table, and you have to.
So, ito naman, pang-strain.
Look at this, Mom.
So, ang gamit naman nito, para kapag nag-shake ka, kailangan mo
And there's some more
after you
cups
shake
that's
and
the
then you
same.
pour it.
There's the same cup that's like that one.
Yes, yes. So, you need to use this one strainer for pouring like that. Ganyan. Yan ang
Then
gamit
we
na.
put that one, okay?
That's the use of that strainer. Ito naman, pag-strain sa mga fresh fruits.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Scoop yan, ice scoop mga to. And then this one, this is a cocktail spoon. Yan, marami siyang binili para sa akin. This is what you call the pourer. The one, it has different styles. So, ilang pieces ang mga nakuha. And then ito, this is what you call the muddler. So, kapag gumagawa kayo ng cocktail, pang-tik-tik yan.
Yeah, you have to do like this and like this.
Yes.
Mom's right.
Yes. So, that's the muddler. This is another vacuum stoppers. That's the one we use for resin. So, ito naman, ice tongs.
Look at so many stuff, Mom.
Yeah, that's everything for me. And of course, alam niyo naman, so tray.
And you forgot that one. That
And
one,
this is wine opener.
that's the wine opener.
Wine opener and can opener.
I have this. And you have to start again. Put it back in your in the Christmas gift.
Yes, so masaya ako sa lahat ng mga natanggap ko na especially party gifts. So magagamit ko talaga yan. I really need it. Ito naman ang regalo sa akin ng Mr. ko noong Christmas.
Let's do like this, okay?
Yes.
And that's for mom.
This one.
It's time for mom. Open the presents now.
There you go. It's a food spa.
It's for the washing laundry thing.
Yes. So yan guys. Bigay ng Mr. ko sa akin. Thank you so much sa kahit po dahil napakatulong niya. Iniisip niya ang mga ganito para sa akin. May toothbrush, foot massage, so iba't ibang filler ng mga ganyan. Ito yung manual niya. Ito naman ang regalo na anak ko para sa akin. So, para sa makeup kits ko.
And
And
that's-
then, this one for sleeping.
That's
Yeah.
a sleeping eye.
Yes, so
That's
saka napili ng anak ko yung
That's
favorite.
the-
Ito naman guys, yung regalo ng anak ko nung birthday ko. So, let's stop. So, nakuha na naman niya yung favorite color ko. Ang galing niyang pumili. Pati yung style, sobrang ganda. Type na type ko talaga siya.
But that's okay. You can do it like that.
And this is one of the most awaited part. This is a present for myself.
Happy other night. Get people.
Never be without great coffee.
I'm holding for you.
It's very heavy.
Why it's so heavy? Coffee maker.
Yeah,
I can hold it for me.
it's alright.
Why you hold it?
It's okay.
Open this with your hands. And there it is. And there it is now.
Yes.
That's a coffee maker.
Yan, ito yung para sa handle. Tapos, ito dyan mo ilalagay yung coffee. Bless you. Wow. Ganda. That one.
How about that one?
Yes. Thank you for helping.
How can we more slowly? Faster like you.
There. Ito. For healthy.
See?
Yan. This is where you put the coffee beans para dito yan.
You have to do it like this.
Yes.
Okay? You have to hold it, okay?
Yeah. Like that. So, ilagay dito yung coffee beans.
And you have to see it, okay? You have to see it and hold it, okay? And that's the coffee maker.
There you go, guys.
There we go. You got the coffee maker. What's this called? Redo, okay?
Ito yung brush. Panlinis. Yan. So, dito ilagay yung coffee beans. Dito yung grinder. Dito ko kukuha ng ano, dito malalaglag yung
And that's for the bee. And that's for the bee.
Dito mo naman ilagay yung magdidrip na yung coffee. Ayan, dito. Ito. This one is for the frother. So,
And get this, and you have to go remember it, okay? You have to remember like the coffee maker, okay?
so ito naman yung milk jug.
And that's the new one.
So that's the milk jug. Yeah, like that. Correct. So princess is correct. So that's the milk jug. This is the frother. You turn that one on. And then gagawa ka ng froth.
And do like this.
Ilagay mo yung coffee cup dito. And then just turn it on.
And you have to put it like
That's
this.
it.
And you have to put it like this, okay?
Yes.
Put like that. This
The answer is this one.
Let's put a coffee maker. Who is
It's
this?
a
For
pretty
morning time.
box. My dear husband.
Let's put the coffee maker in for morning time. After you sleep, it's gonna be morning time.
Yes.
Can we do this for morning time? Here, can I?
that's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa mga inopen kong presents from my loved ones. So, sobrang saya ko. They spoiled me during my birthday and on Christmas Day. So, napaka-wonderful nila. Alam niyo yung mga gusto ko. So, super thankful talaga ako sa mga natanggap kong regalo para sa aking birthday. So guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for staying with us. God bless. See you next time on my next vlog.